Okay, hello everyone. Here is another video that teaches you how to find the area of quadrilaterals in the coordinate plane. So let's jump into the question right away. Okay, so we have a trapezoid, okay, and we need to find the trapezoid that is on this XY plane, alright? So, as I mentioned in class, make sure you have the formulas to find different shapes, the formulas of different shapes, the formulas for the areas of different shapes. So in this case, we have a trapezoid, right? So here, I've shown you guys the area, the formula to find the area of a trapezoid. Okay, so it is just half times the height times the sum of the two bases. Okay, so the two bases are the two sides that are parallel to each other, right? So in this case, I would have this is one of the bases, and that is another one. Okay, so all we have to do now is to figure out. So I can say this is my B1, this is my B1, that is my B2, and I just need to know how long they are, right? The length of each one of them, and then I'm done. Okay. So what about my height? Where's my height? My height is just here. My height is the distance between the two bases, right? That's my height. Okay. So my height is here. This is my height. Okay. So let's find each one of them individually. Okay. All right. So how long is this? Can you guys try it? You can pause the video if you want and try to find how long the upper base is. Okay. So from this point to the y-axis, that gives us 7 units, right? And from the y-axis to that point, that gives us 6 units. So the total is going to be how much? How much is the total? So the upper base will be, so let me just kind of, the upper base, say B1, would be 7 plus 6, which is 13. Right? So what about the lower one? This is my B2, right? My B2. So from this point to the y-axis, that is 3 units. Okay, this is very hard to draw for me with the mouse. I'll try my best. Okay, so this is 3 units, and this side, from this point to the y-axis, it is 2 units. 2 units. Okay, that's the best I can do. So how long is the whole thing? The whole thing would be 5. This is 5. Alright. What about my h? I'm gonna use blue for my height. As I said just now, my height is just the distance between these two bases. Right? So the blue line right there, that's my height. Okay. So we're gonna use this point. So we're gonna use this point, and the distance from this point to the x-axis, that is 2. And the distance from this point to the x-axis, that is 5. So how much is my total height? My total height would be equal to the distance here, which is 2, the distance here, 2, plus the distance here, which is 5. So I would have 7 as my height. Okay, so my height is 7. So now all you have to do is to apply the numbers in the formula, and we should get the answer. If you can do this with your mental math, that would be awesome. If not, if the calculator is allowed, then you can use the calculator to help you out. So half times 7 times 13. Okay, sorry about the bad handwriting. I'm using a mouse. 13 plus 5. So that gives me half times 7 times 18, which is equal to, okay, I'm going to use my mental math right now, and I think that's 63. 63. Okay, so that is your final answer, and that is the area of the trapezoid on the coordinate plane. Good luck.